Chapter wise synopsis. This synopsis is of class 10, is of subject science, and this synopsis has been prepared by Anand Prajapati with the help of Join for Education. Sources of energy. Our energy requirements increase with our standard of living. It means that our standard of living increases the energy requirement. So this is the first synopsis of this chapter. In order to fulfill our energy requirements, we try to improve the efficiency of energy usage and also try to exploit new sources of energy. So this is the second synopsis of this chapter. We also need to look for new sources of energy because the conventional sources of energy like fossil fuels are in danger of getting exhausted soon. The energy source we select would depend on factors like the ease and cost of extracting energy from the source, the efficiency of the technology available for using that source of energy, and the environmental impact of using that source. Many of the sources ultimately derive their energy from the sun. So this is the last synopsis of this chapter. The various components of an ecosystem are independent. So this is the first synopsis of our environment. Let's see. The producers make the energy from sunlight available to the rest of the ecosystem. There is a loss of energy as we go from one trophic level to the next. This limits the number of trophic levels in a food chain. Human activities have an impact on the environment. The use of chemicals like CFC, chlorofluorocarbons, has endangered the ozone layer. Since the ozone layer protects against the ultraviolet radiation from the sun, this could damage the environment. The waste we generate may be biodegradable or non-biodegradable. The disposal of the waste we generate is causing serious environmental problems. Sustainable management of natural resources. We are consider about the synopsis of this chapter. Our resources like forest, wildlife, water, coal and petroleum need to be used in a sustainable manner. We can reduce pressure on the environment by sincerely applying the maxim of refuge, reduce, reuse, repurpose and recycle in our lives. Management of forest resources has to take into account the interest of various stakeholders. The harnessing of water resources by building dams has social, economic and environmental implications. Alternatives to large dams exist. These are local specific and may be developed so as to give local people control over their local resources. The fossil fuels Coal and petroleum will ultimately be exhausted because of this and because their combustion pollutes our environment. We need to use these resources judicially. So I thanks to all of you to stay with me till the last word of the chapter wise synopsis. Thank you very much to stay with me.